We at Belle Air Systems offer only the best, keeping our customers warm in the winter and cool in the summer, proudly servicing the local area with quality and dependable heating and cooling. As authorized dealer for quality name brand products, we appreciate the opportunity to continue serving you and your air conditioning and heating needs. Call us now for installation or any repairs. We at Belle Air Systems have built a strong customer-oriented company by being dependable, reliable, trustworthy, and we guarantee our workmanship, backed by our professional reputation in the community and competitive pricing. Our philosophy is, will continue to be, that the most important people are the customers. We take pride in treating all of our customers with the highest degree of professionalism, care, and understanding. We are a family that you can count on for experience, quality of work, and low prices in all your heating and cooling needs. Contact Eric at Belle Air Systems today.